Georgie likes chips. Have some chips, Georgie. Not the greatest thing in the world for you, but I like them. This was a Pringles. Now it's a Georgie. Oh, silly Georgie. Very silly. You're a silly boy, Georgie. Here, I'm going to leave it here. You do what you want with it, okay? Oh, Dancer's joining. Dancer might want some. Let Dancer have some. Here he comes. No, Georgie says, all mine. Go eat your chips, Georgie. They're good for you. I have a junk food loving budgie named George E. E is for excellent.